How long is it going to take to learn ICT stuff? You know, I have shared something, two things actually, that allows you to go out there and literally start making profitable decisions. I'm going to say it that way. Okay. And the reason why I teach that it's going to take you a couple years to get good at this. That doesn't mean it's going to take you a couple years to make money. Because if you follow the videos and you do the things I'm telling you to do, inside of 6 months, you literally can go out there and find consistency. Now, would it be prudent or would it be responsible of me to assume that all of you that are listening to me on these videos and lectures, that you all are going to have the same results? Obviously not. Okay, but one of the most, well, it's believed by them, marketers of services, an alternative way of trading. There's lots of them, and I'm not saying they can't be profitable. But for the folks that want to tread into these areas that I laid down for everyone to participate in learning, to do what I can do, and you've seen the executions, you've seen how I've traded, and I can trade up, down all day long, and that type of stuff takes years. You don't need to do that. You don't need to be that good. And some of you really want to do that, but that would take years to get good at. And to make money, to go out there and start putting down paper in your bank account that's spendable, real money, not market replay reports, not demo, not funded account challenges where you can't spend that money. All those types of things, they're useful in the beginning, and you have to have them. And the important factor is not that you can be exceedingly profitable in that stage. It's for you to discover what is going to hold you back. And if you try to ignore those things or pretend that they're not there, profitability will evade you no matter what you try to learn, whether it be my approach to trading, would it be someone else's stuff, whether it be an automated thing. You'll find some way to mess it up if you have character flaws that need to be addressed. So to answer the short question, I believe that it would take someone 6 months. That's the fastest, in my opinion, the fastest way, using what I've taught, to find consistency. Now, you have to be an exemplary student and have some understanding before meeting me to be in that league. And I'm not setting a bar for everyone to try to, well, ICT said I got to do it in 6 months or I'm failing. No, I'm saying that it's going to take you at a minimum 6 months, because how can you back test for 3 months and then forward test at least 3 months and not have at least 6 months? Like you have to do those types of things. And while anybody can go out there and say, look at this pattern, okay, look at this pattern, or look at this thing that I got here that's going to tell you when to buy and sell. Whatever that is, it's going to have losing streaks. Everything will. If I look at one market and I try to trade every fluctuation, that means everything, every ebb and flow of a 1 minute chart or a 15-second chart, and let's just say I take 50 trades in a day in one trading session from the beginning of the day to the end of the trading day, and there was 50 transactions. I might have 20 losing trades in there that may not be something that you would agree on. Like, why did he take that trade? Because I'm reading actual price action and I'm trying to force myself to be in more trades that's necessary. Whereas what I try to teach my students and all of you listening is I want you to find setups that will be like the cream of the crop, the best of the best. You want that one good trade, that one good setup for your session. You're not trying to rush into any little thing that might resemble something that's either been shown by me or other people, or wait for something to start moving and you think it's confirmation. See, those things are very problematic in the beginning because you're in a hurry to learn how to make money. And you're in a hurry to be like what you see everyone else online showing these payouts and, supposedly these are the numbers they made for the day, but you're not really watching them trade. So You have to take a lot of things that people say online with a grain of salt. And now, because people are seeing me show a live account, and they're not the $1,000 day, and now backpedaling to let's only try to get a $750 day. These influencers, these gurus, these people that need to sell their stuff, they're going to come at you at different angles, especially after November. And while it's not my intention to try to shit on anybody and say, don't buy anybody else's service. I mean, you're welcome to do anything you want to do. But the topic is, how long do I, Inner Circle Trader, how long do I believe it's going to take for someone to start making money? Minimum 6 months. I tell everybody that it's going to take you about a year, because I want you to see a full year. I want you to see all the seasonal influences. And then what you learn from that, you're going to start building a model around how you're going to trade the following year. And in that second year, that's where your best learning is going to occur, because you'll have a foundation that's been forged over a full year of seeing seasonal tendencies that come in, the factors that are going to influence you, what areas are going to entice you through greed and fear. See, that's the thing that you don't realize that the influencers are hiding from you. Anyone that's trying to sell you something to get you into a service, a community that you have to pay for, a different kind of a trading approach or whatever it is, or something that's automated. Whatever it is, they're always going to take your attention away from that personal growth period, because that's the thing that everybody has to wrestle with, and that is the very thing that's going to cause you to quit. If everyone that has a trading opportunity or setup or a method of trading that can be profitable, 50-50, okay? If they have a 50% chance of profitability, as long as you have sound money management, you can be wildly profitable with that.